Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's free video, I wanted to show you the next setup that was coiling here in Bitcoin. Now, I do think the higher probability trade in this may come a little bit after the Fed, right? We've got that FOMC meeting that's coming out on Wednesday of next week, so into that you could definitely see some volatility, but I'm working with the idea that the movement here from about 20,000 should lead us down into 13, and if the Fed decides that they are going to continue with this rapid rate of increases, then that is what we should see push us lower. So that is a pattern that I'm sure a lot of you can see when it is accompanied by a squeeze. I believe that is worth bringing to you as far as a setup to be looking at into next week. And as much as I think that that could be bearish, on the off chance that it does want to show more strength, we should see that reflection in the dollar, which is just to say this will be another important currency to follow as Powell takes the stage. If we see this increased of, rates, well, that'll probably send the dollar higher. If there is a change of tone, a little bit more dovishness out there, maybe the dollar can soften up a little bit further to what I believe is a swing-based target down here at 101. Now, if you get above the 21 EMA, that is a point where I'll have to concede that idea is likely wrong or at least ill-timed. For now, these are the most important spots that I'm watching for their confluence with the broad markets, with the bigger picture equity outlook, and I think that'll be helpful as we get into next week. So I hope you find that helpful. You guys have a great witching expiration, and I hope to see you in one of the next free videos. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.